So cute. Look at them. Oh my god. I don't know where my tweezers are. How cute. I'm gonna put it here for now. Oh my god, this one's eating something. Way too cute. So it comes with this little cage. Also comes with these cute little pet adoption names. A little water holder. This and this. So I'm gonna put those in there. Yeah, it does fit perfectly on this bookshelf. Isn't that crazy? I saw it right before I made this and I'm like, I'm using that. It's from the Mini Brands books. Maybe you can't tell. Okay, now I'm adding more bedding again. Please excuse my nails. I had that dip powder on it and I peeled it off, which was stupid. So now they look crazy. It's gonna be a surprise. You can kind of see it, but I got 2 of them. Okay, finally, I'm moving on to this little house, which is so cute. Can't even handle it. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna put this back here. Have this little staircase slide. Oh my god. Put that over here. So this little guy. Oh my god. Look at him eating a sunflower seed or something. I'll put him right there. And this one, I'm gonna put up here. So now I have this case. I'm going to super glue this water on the side. I'm gonna try to make it so it's like in this area of the cage. Talk later.